Birds in the sky flying so high, wings wide open as they pass by, singing a song sweet and clear, telling the world that spring is near. Parrots in green colors so bright, chattering loudly from morning to night, talking and laughing in jungle trees, dancing along with the buzzing bees. Eagles soar where the clouds are white, strong and proud, a mighty sight, watching the valleys down below, gliding steady, fast or slow. Owls at night with eyes so round, silent wings that make no sound, hooting soft in the midnight air, stars and moonlight fill the lair. Tiny sparrows in the rain, chirping songs on window pane, shaking feathers, flapping free, playing near the old oak tree. Peacocks dance with feathers wide, spreading beauty far and wide, blue and gold in royal show, twirling proudly, nice and slow.